I need both hands for my weapon. I can't wield that yet. I don't have that ability yet. That ability isn't ready yet. I can't do that yet. Not ready yet. They can't join our group. I can't put that there. That bag is full. I can't do that here. I can't drop that. That's bound to me. Strike this foe. Help me here. For Zul'jin. Now we kill. Yeah, das Dingo. Yeah, man. Good job. Fantastic. They will speak of your exploits for generations. Run. Get out of here. Want some of my jungle love? We trolls mate for life. 'Cause we believe in frequent reincarnation. You look pretty. Pretty tasty. I hope you're well rested. You're going to need your strength. Follow me. You go with me. Catch you later. It been real. Smell you later. Cure me. Heal me. I be in a bad way. Hey there. Hey man. What be happening? Help me. Assist me. There be danger. Bad things coming. No. No way. Hell no. Shoot 'em. Light 'em up. Me mana be running low. I be needing more mana. Cooking's done. Stew here. I like my women dumpy and droopy with halitosis. I got a shrunken head. I just came out of the pool. New troll here. New troll here. I heard if you cut off an extremity, it'll regenerate a little bigger. Don't believe it. Thank you. Big thanks. I owe you one. You stay here. Stay put. Don't you be going nowhere. Of course, man. Sure thing. I be feeling you. I dig it. No problem. Anytime, man. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. I'll never be able to equip that. I'm not a high enough level to use that. I can't use that yet. My skill level isn't high enough to equip that. I can't learn that spell. I can't loot that. I can't trade that. I can't use that. I can't loot that right now. I don't have a target. I need to target something first. I need a target. I can't do that. I need permission first. I can't attack that target. I can't attack that. Inventory is full. I can't carry anymore. I can't use that item yet. It's not ready yet. It's still recharging. It's locked. I can't carry any more of those. I can't loot that. That would be stealing. I need to get closer. Too far away. I can't reach that. I need to equip that to use it. That's not equipped yet. I'm out of ammo. Not enough energy. I don't have enough energy. Not enough mana. I need more mana. My mana is low. Not enough rage. Need more rage. That's not a bag. I don't have enough money. I can't afford that. It's too expensive. I can't equip that. It's too far away. I'm out of range. I need to get closer. I can't drink anymore yet. I can't use that yet. That spell isn't ready yet. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging.